Hi there, welcome to the Lad Mix Farm channel. I'm Arthur here. In today's episode, we want to look at a very interesting topic, and this is how to really hire workers but also retain them. On our farms, it's quite a major challenge when it comes to worker turnover. Workers keep on coming but also moving at will. And so it is a big task to retain workers on a farm. So how are we going about it here at Lad Mix Farm? For us here, we have two categories of workers. We have those that we pay on a monthly basis, but we also have those that we give small contracts. We normally refer to it as patana here in Uganda. And so we have several workers that come and do that kind of work, and then we keep on computing and then make payments at the end of the month. So when we have the first time we get the workers, of course we keep on observing them and trying to see who performs better, so that we can be able to see how we can give them additional roles. So everybody that is hired at Lad Mix Farm comes as a casual worker. So they start as casual workers, and then we keep on observing them, looking at how they're performing, their characters, their mannerisms, how they're influencing the others, and also looking at the pace of work that they do. So over time, we are able to detect the difference in terms of strengths and weaknesses for each individual worker on the farm. So from that pool of workers, we start identifying those that can be potential leaders of the others. Now those ones, in order to motivate them and retain them, now we give them, an opportunity to work for a monthly salary. And we try to make it, as decent as we can. So once I start identifying these good boys and ladies that can be able to work for a monthly salary, they are really motivated and try to work hard, try to, making sure that they are doing everything right, and also try to set an example to the others. For those that are not performing well, even when they are casual workers, at the end of the month or even after a particular task, especially if it's going to be detrimental to the farm, we actually request them to leave. And others, sometimes they are not even able to cope with the pace of work that we have on the farm. So that they also have some kind of balanced diet, but also to make sure that they don't crave so much for some of these things. Remember, once you have a healthy workforce, a comfortable and happy workforce, then they'll be able, to give you what you're looking for. Actually, these workers are kind of the backbone of a farm, because without these workers, you'll not be able to achieve much. So, journeying with them and making sure that they are comfortable, they'll be also in turn make efforts to make sure that you achieve your targets on the farm. So this is very important for those of you that have smaller farms, medium farms like which we are trying to establish. That's our experience here at Lad Mix Farm. I don't know how the others are doing it out there on these mega farms where they have maybe hundreds of workers. I'm sure they have a different approach. But here where you need around 7 to 10 to 15 workers, that approach, we've really noticed that it is very helpful and it's working well for us. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. And if you're regular, we appreciate you so much. We are very happy to associate with you. Feel free to give us your comments, experiences, and we can be able to, respond to them and also learn from one another, really, as we journey together. Thank you very much.